Hello and welcome to Sacramento Justice League's series on criminal record review and expungement. This video talks about obtaining your records of arrests and prosecutions. First, a few disclaimers. Nothing in this video should be interpreted to constitute the formation of an attorney-client relationship. This video is not intended as legal advice. It simply provides legal information. For specific questions about your situation, please contact your local public defender, or you can contact us. Contact information is in the description below. This video highlights procedures specific to Sacramento County. For information specific to a different county, you should contact your local public defender in that county or the legal aid office there. And finally, laws change frequently and are subject to differing interpretations. It's your responsibility to make sure that the law has not changed and that it still applies to your particular situation. In this video, we'll first start with an introduction to Sacramento Justice League and the variety of services that we provide. We'll then talk about what a criminal expungement is and what it isn't. And we'll also talk about how you get information about your criminal record so that you can start the expungement process. But stay tuned for other videos in this series, including expunging a criminal record specific to Sacramento County, and if your criminal record is not eligible for expungement, how you can obtain a certificate of rehabilitation or a governor's pardon. What is Sacramento Justice League? Sacramento Justice League is located in Sacramento, California. We offer the community free or low-cost legal services. We're a team of attorneys and other advocates, and we're here to provide legal services to the community regardless of an individual's ability to pay. We offer legal clinics on a sliding fee scale depending on one's income, and many of our clients qualify for free counsel. We offer legal clinics and one-on-one legal advice for a variety of legal issues, including family law, such as divorce, child custody or support, adoptions, domestic violence restraining orders. We offer services for name changes or birth certificate changes, for criminal expungement, credit and debt relief, bankruptcy, immigration issues, and landlord-tenant issues. Now let's turn to expunging a conviction. Why would somebody want to expunge a conviction? The primary benefit of expungement is to help a formerly incarcerated individual avoid employment discrimination. The Labor Code makes it illegal for an employer to ask about a judicially dismissed, another way of saying expunged, conviction in the hiring process. However, landlords can still use expunged convictions against a potential tenant, and state licensing agencies and law enforcement can deny employment based on an expunged conviction. Let's talk about how you can determine what conviction can be dismissed. A conviction can qualify for expungement if you did not spend any time in prison for the offense, you completed any term of supervision for the offense, such as probation, and you are not currently charged with serving a sentence for or on a term of supervision for a different crime. You should note that certain convictions are never eligible for expungement, such as violent felonies and certain vehicle code violations. So if you spent time in prison or jail for a felony under realignment, you may still be eligible for a certificate of rehabilitation. You can see that video for more information about that relief. We've talked about why you would want to expunge a criminal record and what kinds of convictions are expungible. Let's now turn to how to gather information about your criminal record. If you live in Sacramento, there are two main sources to gather this information. The first source of information is the Sacramento County Court website. It hosts a database of all the cases heard in Sacramento County. You can go to the website listed here or in the description below. Hover over Criminal in the green bar and choose the appropriate option. You can look up a case file for free if you have the case number or the cross-reference number, also known as the XREF for short. You can look up a case by the defendant's name for $1. The second source of information is the California Department of Justice. Here you can get a record of arrests and prosecutions, or rap sheet. Because the document is from a state database, it should contain any convictions from anywhere in the state. To get a rap sheet, you need to submit fingerprints and a $25 fee. However, you may be eligible for a fee waiver. It usually takes a month or two to get the rap sheet from the agency. To get your rap sheet, you go to the Department of Justice website. You can follow the link here, or use the link in the description below. Once you're on the home screen, if you are low income and believe you're eligible for a fee waiver, click on Apply for Fee Waiver. Click Start, and choose the option that applies to you. You then need to enter either income or benefit information. After doing that, you can enter your personal information and declare that the information is truthful, and then you'll be able to print the form to take with you to the fingerprinting agency. After you're done printing your fee waiver, you can return to the front page and click on the link to the live scan form. You can either fill in the form electronically and then print it, or print the form and fill it out by hand. Under Type of Application, you'll check Record Review, and under Reason for Application, you'll write Record Review. Then you fill in the form with your personal information and make sure the address you use will still be good in a few months. Once you've filled out and printed your live scan form and the fee waiver form if you're eligible, you'll take both the forms and a photo ID to a local live scan fingerprint service provider. This could be a local police station or Capital Live Scan, which is located at 5706 Broadway in Sacramento. The person who fingerprints you will also be able to send in your application. So which source should you use? If you're certain that all of your interactions with law enforcement and all your convictions were in Sacramento County, you should be able to use the county database. However, if you're unsure or you know that you have convictions in different counties, you'll need your rap sheet from the DOJ so that Sac Justice can help you with all of your convictions. So that's it for getting a rap sheet. But we hope you'll check out the next video in this series, Expunging Your Criminal Record, for information about reading and understanding your rap sheet and how to petition the court for dismissal of a criminal record. However, if you know that your crime is not expungible, but you want to know about the process for applying for a certificate of rehabilitation or pardon from the governor, check out the Certificate of Rehabilitation video. You can connect with us by phone, at our website, by email, or by snail mail. We also have a physical address, but it's best to set an appointment before you come. I'd like to offer special thanks to Root and Rebound. They're an organization of criminal justice system impacted individuals and families, and they're advocates who are working hard to transform the criminal justice system. Their roadmap to reentry is a comprehensive guide to getting back on your feet, and it's available online. Check out the link in the description below. Thank you for your time and attention, and we hope this video helps you in your journey to clean your criminal record.